welcome to today's class. Today we want to look at integration. Alright, and remember, integration talks about anti-differentiation. Remember that calculus involves about three major topics, which are the limits, the differentiation, which is also known as the derivatives, and the integration. In integration, we try to get back that values or those values that were differentiated to give us a particular value. That's what we do. Now, in integration, I want you to quickly recall some of the standard integral. If I have x raised to power n, when integrating this, you are going to have equal to the x raised to power n plus 1, then all over n plus 1 plus c. This is the standard integral for what? Whenever we're having a linear function of x to the degree n, that is for that. Now, when we have something like this, if I have 1 over x, it's going to give me the integral function is what? Ln x plus c. That's for 1 over x. Then, if I have something like this, if I have 1 all over 1 plus s squared, this one is tan inverse. It's going to give us what? Arctan x plus c, something like this. So now let us look at this question. We want to integrate cos 2x plus 3. That is what? Argument inside. So in integration, there is a standard formula that you need to use, which is very simple without you stressing yourself. I will give you. Then I will also use the method of substitution to solve it so that you get it. Now, if I have the integral of this, it means that when I have an argument that is a function having ax plus b, then the x. So when I have something like this, it means that the argument there, this is the argument inside the bracket, it's a linear function. So what you just need, your final answer, according to the standard integral, you just will take 1 over a, then multiplying this function, that is ax plus b. Then, of course, your c, which is a constant. So if you want to use that now to solve this, use it to solve this. So what we are going to have at the end of the day is 1 over 2. Then what is the function of this? So that is what we're going to give to us. So let us solve it. Okay, now, so let's solve it with this now. So let's solve with this. So it means that what? My answer to this now is going to give me 1 over 2. Remember that this is a cos function here. Remember that it becomes a function. This is a cos function. So the cos function, when it is integrated, it will give us sine. That is what? Sine. Then the whole of this, which is what? 2x plus 3 plus what? C. That's the answer to this. So in case of you writing exams like WAEC, JAMB, you come across something like this, you don't need to begin to say let u equal to that, you know. Are you getting it? So you just use this formula. Remember that this is the argument, it's a linear function. Then you just take 1 over what? The one that having x here, having ax. So you put 1 over 2, then the integral of this trigonometric function, of course, is what? Sine. But let me show you if you don't understand that one. So I want you to use this method. Just say let u equal to 2x plus what? 3. So here you have to differentiate u with respect to s. You have the u, the x equal to what? 2, of course. So I am looking for the x. I have to make the s the surgical formula. This will now imply that what? My the x, my du is equal to what? 2 dx. All right, so I want to look for dx. It's not the u I'm looking for. So my dx is equal to what? Du over what? 2. So come and plug this value into this expression. So of course, here, inside here becomes what? Your u. So that we then have what? Integral cos. The whole of this becomes u. Then du times du over what? 2. Alright, so at the end of the day, we are going to have equal to the, take this 2 here, this one is a denominator, then it becomes half the integral cos u du. Okay, so at this point now, we already know the standard integral for cos is what? Sine. The standard for cos, or the standard integral for cos is what? Sine. So let's go this way. So at the end of the day, we're going to have a half, then sine u plus c. Remember that your u is equal to 2x plus 3. So that we then have 1 over 2 sine 2x plus 3 plus c. So as you can see, it's still the same thing. So instead of walking through this long process, in case of exam condition, why don't you just make use of this and what quickly recall? But in the case you've forgotten this, so just follow the same process, follow this process of substitution. So you're going to arrive at the same answer. If you find this class very interesting, please do not hesitate to share this video. Also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.